all of us, we are exposed to air pollution, noise pollution, chemicals and pesticides in the foods. Naturopathy, by definition, it is drugless system of medicine. Our body, by default, it is made to remain healthy.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं मंथन, जहां हम बात करते हैं लाइफस्टाइल इनोवेशन एंड वेलनेस पे। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है नेचुरोपैथी, जिसके लिए हमारे गेस्ट हैं डॉक्टर ब्रजभूषण, जिन्हें 20 साल से ज्यादा का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। देश के प्रतिष्ठित संस्थानों में वे एज ए सीएमओ काम कर चुके हैं और हम लकी हैं कि हमारे साथ आज वो यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं। सर, आपका स्वागत है।
नमस्कार मैम।
सबसे पहले सर बताइए, हाउ विल यू डिफाइन नेचुरोपैथी एंड व्हाट इज द फिलॉसफी बिहाइंड नेचुरोपैथी?
Naturopathy, by definition, it is drugless system of medicine,
Okay.
and it is based on rational use of natural elements. To name a few: hydrotherapy, that is water; use of earth; use of fire, internal and external fire, as well as space, and other elements which are related to the vitality.
Okay. So the first question that comes into my mind, that why should anybody go to naturopathy if there are so many pathies in our world? So why should anybody prefer naturopathy?
Naturopathy, it deals with lifestyle disorders. So all of us, we are exposed to air pollution, noise pollution, chemicals and pesticides in the foods. So a very common understanding is body is being burdened with these toxic materials which are entering into our system, and an obvious conclusion comes out of it: everybody needs detoxification.
Yeah.
So I'll say everybody needs naturopathy detoxification procedures. Not only coming to a naturopathy center, we can learn the techniques and we can follow it at home also.
Okay. So what would you suggest to our viewers, that how often they should detox their body?
6 months,
Once in a six.
once in a 6 months.
Okay.
Stay of 8 to 10 days. It gives optimum results.
Okay. So the next question is that if there is an issue of fatigue, stress into the bodies of patients, so how naturopathy work towards it?
Our body, by default, it is made to remain healthy.
Okay.
So anything we put which is not required, which is not natural, by default body tries to throw it off. But with our lifestyle and with our diet pattern, we are unable to give body the desired or the required rest so that it can heal itself.
Okay.
So in that case, what naturopathy does, naturopathy helps all the excretory or detoxification channels. What are those? So eyes, every morning we get little bit of coming out. The nose, the tongue, we absorb it. Even if body is loaded with toxins, our skin also, you will feel certain sort of uh, order coming out of the body. So what naturopathy does, we practice eye wash, jalaneti, nasal cleansing, vamana, which is cleansing of upper GIT, enema or colon hydrotherapy, which is cleansing of lower GIT, drinking enormous amount of water to detoxify your kidneys.
Okay.
So basically through the naturopathy system, we help all these excretory channels to detoxify the body. And believe me, once the body system, they get some help in the form of these procedures, they start working on optimum levels.
Okay. It means God has made our body in such a way कि वो अपने आप खुद को हील करना जानती है, but because of the combinations or because of the environmental circumstances or our sedentary style, वो नहीं हो पाता है, और इसीलिए we should go to naturopathy or any other pathy.
Yes,
Okay.
right.
Okay. So it's a question, sir, from your profession, that how do you decide that which pathy is correct for particular patient?
Okay.
Is there any basic principle or scale?
we practice diet therapy in naturopathy, and we practice all these 5 element like procedures. So while assessment, so we assess the vitality of the system. We do it through your iris, we can do it through your pulse, we can do it through by looking at your skin. Of course, we look at to your blood reports, your blood pressure, your sugar levels and all. So इन सब चीजों को देखने के बाद एक होलिस्टिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है बॉडी की, व्हाट इज डेफिशिएंट. एंड वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, वी हैव टू टेक कंसेंट ऑफ द पेशेंट आल्सो. लाइक मैं इसको मजाक में बताना चाहूंगा आपको
जी.
कि कई बार होता है, स्पेशली महिलाएं आती हैं, so they have this lady has a knee pain and acne on the face. Okay. So as a physician, मैं ये कन्विंस करना चाहूंगा कि you look at your knees, it is in a very bad situation. But what can be her priorities कि सर नी तो आप करो, but next month मेरी बिटिया की शादी है. So it is mutual. We cannot decide it like unilaterally.
Right.
So it is our understanding of the requirement of the body और जो पेशेंट होती है उसकी क्या प्राथमिकताएं हैं, उन दोनों के बीच से एक सही रास्ता जो कि क्लिनिकली सही हो उसको हम देते हैं, और साथ ही साथ हम उनको घर का भी फॉलो अप देते हैं.
ओके.
कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हम स्किन केयर के लिए आपको कुछ सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो साथ में हम जॉइंट केयर के लिए भी सजेस्ट करें.
Okay.
So that's why I said it's a very huge thing to decide, but it is completely individual basis. किसको किस चीज की जरूरत है, ये प्रॉपर असेसमेंट के बाद किया जाता है.
ओके. ये बताइए डॉक्टर साहब कि नेचुरोपैथी एंड आयुर्वेदा, आर दे डिफरेंट, आर दे सेम, आर दे ओवरलैप्ड?
Okay. So Ayurveda has a very well defined definition of their practices. So they rely on Ayurvedic medications. Of course, there are lifestyle modifications. They talk about exercise. They talk about toxicology. They talk about care of eyes and all. So Ayurveda is having a very wide range of practices and therapies where they are equipped with several medicines and practices, both invasive and non-invasive.
Okay.
Where we can differentiate very clearly the naturopathy approach. We try to avoid the invasive approach, and we try to help the body to detoxify or to heal itself. Just to give you an example, so that our listeners will be able to understand this, कि यदि एक मसाज है, तो नेचुरोपैथी जो मसाज प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है उसमें द टेक्निक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द प्रेशर, द मूवमेंट, द डायरेक्शन. टू नेम अ फ्यू, इट इज Swedish massage, it's Balinese massage, it's bamboo massage, it's reflexology massage. So the technique is important, and maybe we are very less bothered about the oil, the type of oil.
Okay.
But in Ayurveda, they are more concerned about the type of oil.
Okay.
दर्द में कौन सा ऑयल यूज होगा, स्किन डिजीज के लिए कौन सा ऑयल यूज होगा.
Okay.
So that is a very important difference. The focus is towards the medicine in Ayurveda, and the focus is on the technique in naturopathy.
Okay.
So
बहुत अच्छे से आपने क्लियर किया, because up till now I was confused because in between two. Okay, so last I want that you should suggest some of the techniques that everybody should follow at least in their life, at least once in 6 months or once in a year, naturopathy techniques. So please suggest them.
If you get up early morning, drink at least 2 glasses of water. Plain water.
It should be lukewarm or plain water, normal?
Room temperature.
Okay.
Room temperature water. Yes, if it is like winters, you can make it little bit lukewarm. Otherwise, room temperature is okay. So drink 2 glasses of water. And the other thing I would like to add, with an experience of my patients, now we can add this pink salt. I guess everyone is very much aware about it. So everybody is using RO water. Yes.
Yes.
What RO does? It removes all the minerals. So that is what you check in the TDS meter, dissolved particles. So all the minerals you have removed. But when you excrete, it goes with minerals.
Okay.
When you go for urination, when you sweat, even the tears comes, body loses some minerals. So the water is supposed to replace that minerals, but we have removed. So you are drinking plain water without any mineral. So the supplementation is affected. Now, as a whole, we are widely deficient in minerals.
Okay.
So all sorts of lethargy, थकान हो रही है, and swelling हो रही है शरीर में, hair fall हो रहे हैं, है ना, imbalances है, hormonal imbalances है, you know, all these micro minerals, they were very very important. So the another suggestion will be, उस पानी में थोड़ा सा pink salt, maybe एक चुटकी, to substitute the lost minerals.
Okay.
Okay, so एक वो हम कर सकते हैं. एक और बड़ी अच्छी चीज है, before sleeping, wash your foot with warm water. Now, many of our like listeners, they will be suffering with insomnia, नींद नहीं आती है ना? And if you can put your leg in a hot bucket for 5 to 7 minutes, believe me, this is going to help you in your migraine, in chest congestion, for females in dysmenorrhea, painful during the menstrual cycle. So this small thing can be prescribed to anybody and anyone. Also, the dinner should be light. What is happening nowadays, मॉर्निंग में और आफ्टरनून में हम बिजी होते हैं, तो हम कुछ भी खाते हैं और काम को जाते हैं. नाउ डिनर हम घर पे होते हैं, खूब अच्छे से खाते हैं और फिर लेट जाते हैं, या वो टीवी देख रहे हो या मोबाइल देख रहे हो, हम लेट जाते हैं. सो विद ऑल दिस फूड इट विल पुश टुवर्ड्स द एसोफेगस, और धीरे धीरे जो एक मसल होती है जो बनाई गई है रिफ्लक्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, वो मसल वीक हो जाती है.
Okay.
और फिर सारी जनता रिफ्लक्स एसिडिटी से जूझ रही है. सो 3 वेरी बेसिक थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू रिकमेंड. सुबह पानी पिएं, रात में पैर को धोएं गर्म पानी से, और साथ ही साथ में डिनर जो है उसको लाइट रखें.
Okay.
वैसे तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बट एटलीस्ट फॉर ए स्टार्टर these 3 things will help.
Okay. So please suggest a few things about naturopathy to our viewers, and then we will end this episode.
Okay. So naturopathy tips, I will assume.
Yeah. Okay.
Like
Tips.
Naturopathy tips. So for the sake of your skin health, we can apply very simple homemade applications. And for now, I would like to tell the viewers, नारियल का तेल, या आप उसको, उसमें विटामिन ई के कैप्सूल्स आते हैं, वेरी सिंपल. This is, I am telling about quick fixes.
Yeah, quick fix.
This is not a like the lengthy naturopathy procedure, but उसमें आप कोकोनट ऑयल में यदि आप विटामिन ई डालते हैं और उसको अप्लाई करते हैं, another very simple way to add minerals and very important fatty acids, natural fatty acids to your diet can be, मैं इसको नेचुरल माउथ फ्रेशनर बोलता हूँ, दैट यू कैन च्यू आफ्टर फूड और एनी अदर टाइम. व्हाइट सेसमे, सफेद तिल, सौंफ लीजिए, फ्लेक्स सीड लीजिए. इन तीनों को बराबर मात्रा में तवा पे हल्का सा गर्म, डोंट रोस्ट इट. इसको तवा पे हल्का गर्म कीजिए. खाने के बाद आप इतने अच्छे एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड्स आपके शरीर में जा रहे हैं. फेनल जो सौंफ है वो काफी अच्छा गैस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए होता है ना. एंड तिल इज वेरी हाई इन कैल्शियम. सो ये भी काफी सिंपल सा है जो कि लोग उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm sure we have shoot this podcast in a very serene and natural atmosphere, and that too talking about naturopathy. And Dr. Brajbhushan has given. I'm sure ये आप लोगों को मदद करेगा. धन्यवाद, sir.
धन्यवाद.